as the Ukrainian drone army keeps striking Russian tanks. This time the tank operator may have been a bit more clever. As the tank's back section is behind a tree line, the drones couldn't attack the weaker section easily, making 2 attacks resulting in fairly little damage, as a more well-protected front section is taking the hits. But as the Ukrainian drone army don't give up easy, the 3rd strike managed to hit a less armored area. Causing the ammunition to catch fire, resulting in a cook-off of the tank, turning it into scrap metal, destroying another of Russia's tanks, leaving 1 less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.